abashomesi bo kunda eihanga ahari Kyeizooba Girls bejishibwa ngo bekunde nabanyuma bakunda eihanga ryabo ngo kandi bato mu nkora ebashomesiwe.
Love your country. Because you don't have any other country. As the RDC said, love yourself. You begin by loving yourselves. Do you love yourselves? Yes. No, not at all. There are those who are here when others are running. For them, they are looking at other things. And at the end of the year, they are discontinued because of poor performance. Do those love themselves?
You cannot love Uganda when you don't love yourself. And that's why I said that when I look at you, all of you, I look at you that you are very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Because for us Africans, we don't believe that we are beautiful. We admire the whites. We think that the whites are the most beautiful people, isn't it? Which is a wrong mentality. And I'm happy you're saying no because you have gone through this kind of training.
Wazwekera urukura patriotism mu eihanga ryona Helen Seku yaashaba abaana babishiki okukoresa mukono yabo kutarukurera engaro.
Through the skills that you have acquired and through the skills that you will still acquire because you are still at school, she calls upon all of you to embrace innovation and creativity in order to solve the challenges that are facing Uganda today.
It is our desire that the knowledge and the skills that we have acquired during this training be visible in the way we perform our duties, professionally, intellectually, and in all expected standards of our behavior.
Mukuru w'ishomero rya Kyeizooba Girls SS Dr. Catherine Wajira yasima mukuru w'eihanga President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ahabwe entebe kanisa AG.
All the above achievements were possible because the office of the President through the Secretariat has allowed us to participate in this training.
Our promise as students at Kyeizooba Girls Secondary School is to embrace and put into practice all the skills and lessons learned. Be good natives and patriotic citizens of Uganda.
Nichongera kusima headmistress with Nwajira Catherine na president with Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. Nimbasima mnonga habweshoga kugira ngo baresearch program ya patriotism mu ishomero yitu kandi tuwanjire kwega byinji twayega no kukunda eihanga yitu Uganda kandi turaganisa kuguma kukunda country yitu Uganda.
Report ya hebwa yaba State House Secretariat bajangu ishomero rya Kyeizooba Girls niryo rikebembiro kushomesa Abeegi emitwe mirungi gasha kwa Michael atwakire.